In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix login issues on Prizepicks. We all know how frustrating it can be when you can't access your account, especially when you're eager to make your picks. So let's go through these steps to resolve those login issues quickly and efficiently. First and foremost, let's ensure that your internet connection is working properly. This might seem basic, but it's a common oversight. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, make sure the signal is strong and stable. Consider opening another app or website to check your connectivity. If there are issues with other services too, it's likely your internet is the problem and you might need to reset your router or move to a place with a better signal. Next, let's update the app or check the website version you're currently using. Prizepicks frequently releases updates to improve functionality and fix bugs. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store if you're using a mobile app and ensure you've installed the latest version. If you're using a desktop, refresh the browser to see if a potential cached version is causing issues. Now double-check that you're entering the correct username and password. Often we overlook small typing errors in haste. Make sure that your caps lock isn't on, and if your credentials are saved somewhere, verify them. If you've recently changed your password, try using the new one. Speaking of passwords, if you seem to have forgotten yours, don't despair. Simply tap on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the process of resetting your password. You'll usually receive an email with instructions, so be sure to check your spam or junk folders if it doesn't appear in your inbox. Moving on, clearing the app cache or browser cookies can sometimes do the trick. For mobile apps, head to your device's settings, locate the Prizepicks app, and clear the cache. If you're using a website, accessing your browser settings and clearing cookies and cache can also help. This removes any corrupted data that might be interfering with your login process. If issues persist, it might be worth trying to log in from a different device. Sometimes, device-specific problems can hinder access, so switching to another phone, tablet, or computer might help you get through. Finally, if troubleshooting hasn't resolved your issue, it's time to contact Prizepicks support. Visit their help center by navigating to prizepicks.com/help center. Here, you can find further assistance and get in touch with customer support who are equipped to handle more complex issues or concerns. By following these steps, you should be back in the game in no time. Remember to take each step methodically and cross-check everything to ensure accuracy. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us or leave your comments below. Thanks for watching and good luck with your selections.